TCOM LP is the world's foremost manufacturer, integrator, and operator of persistent surveillance systems, intelligence, reconnaissance, surveillance, and communication. We design and manufacture aerostats, which are tethered blimps or balloons that we can hang any number of customer specified payloads from for the purposes of whatever the customer wants. To be honest with you, we also manufacture the ground systems, and we integrate all those payloads so that you can take the sensor data, bring it down to the ground and process it and use it for whatever the customer wants. And the really neat part about it is you're part of the maritime industry, you're part of the defense industry, and you're also part of the aerospace industry. So it's a very unique niche that I have here in Elizabeth City. TCOM overall has about 400 to 450 employees on the rolls today, split amongst several locations. Here in Elizabeth City, I have about 200 employees that take care of production planning, manufacturing, logistics, and engineering work. We are one of the only manufacturers in the area, have an industrial textile operation here, so we're always looking for folks as heat seal operators, industrial seamstress. We do mechanical assembly work here for the ground stations. We do all of our own electrical assembly work as well for the electronics and flight control systems that we have. Production planners, production engineers, logisticians, shipping and receiving. So a lot of career opportunities here in Elizabeth City. You know, one of the things I've learned over the past several years is two things, and moms and dads don't get too upset with me when I say this. Everybody thinks they need a college degree to succeed, and that is absolutely not true anymore. We have convinced our youth that you have to have a degree. Many of them enter into student loans, which they spend the rest of their life paying off. And honestly, it doesn't bring any more or less employability to them when you start talking about the manufacturing industry. So the first thing is concentrate on all of your STEM classes at school. Make sure that you understand, science, engineering, technology, math, those types of classes. But the college degree is not as important as the skills that you're going to bring. Almost all of our technicians in there are actually trained on the job, because all of our technology in there for the most part is proprietary, and we would have to train you on how to utilize it anyway. More importantly though, are still a lot of the soft skills, right? It's a small company. A lot of manufacturing teams are put together, right? So you have to understand what it means to be part of a team. We are very much a family environment here. We have a very unique product that we develop, and it's a very niche business, and I find that attracts people, and in general, yes, once people come here, people do stay for long periods of time. There's lots of opportunity for career growth at TCOM. Similar to any other business, you've got to do your time in your current role, and you've got to develop into other roles, but there's absolutely opportunity for growth when you come here.